So, yesterday Kawasaki announced the new 2022 models. God, it's tight. They announced the new 2022 models and we're really excited because finally we have got a brake, reverse, and we have got a variable jet nozzle for trim. We've got loads of stuff we want to show you and share with you. And I'm going to introduce two videos, that Kawasaki have made us, which we're going to link to. No, we're not going to link, we're going to show you them in this video because it explains it perfectly. But it all revolves around this. Now this is a brand new 2021 Ultra LX. And Kawasaki for years have had forward, neutral, reverse. So you have it in forward, you pull that lever up, and it goes in reverse. And if you look at the back when I do that, so when we're in forward, the nozzle here is shooting the water out here. And then when I go into reverse, it puts the bucket over. So our competitors, Sea-Doo and Yamaha, have had ways to control that bucket through a little electrical lever. And finally, Kawasaki have done it. But they've done it really, really well. So I think we'll cut to the first video and we'll show you the new models that we've got coming up. And then I'll come back and chat to you about some other little details in just a second. Roll VT. Okay, so you can see we've got three new models in the 310 range. We've got the 310X, which I love the new colours. It looks really funky with that two-tone turquoise and yellow colour. We've got the 310LXS, which replaces the 310R. That's an old 310R there. And we've got the new range topping 310LX, which means luxury. And that's the gold one. I don't know if we call it gold, but it looks goldy. The new gold model, which has got everything on it. Now, all three models have ability to have snap-on extras, like storage chests, like carry bags, like adjustable rails for skis and other equipment. So Kawasaki have made a lovely little video which shows you all the details of the three new models. So let's roll VT again. Okay, so now you've seen both the videos, you know all about the new models. So our sister company, Kawasaki Watercraft, and its website, kawasakiwatercraft.co.uk, are launching these new models today. And for the UK, because we're the UK dealer, kawasakiwatercraft.co.uk, we'll be taking pre-orders from customers that want these new machines, which are due in April 2022. That's when we get our first new machines of the ones we've just shown you. We've also got our dealer network. So we've got PC Boat Sales in Channel Islands, with Whole Shot Kawasaki in Salisbury in Hampshire, and we have Marine Sales Scotland near Glasgow, who will also have these products from April, May 2022. And also, if you want to, just grab the camera a second. If you want to, here's Jake, who's filming me today, and he is in charge of the UK distribution, so you can give him a shout if you can't get hold of your nearest dealer. So, I wanted to, one last thing. Jake's had a very busy couple of months, and we very rarely award this, but this is kind of cup for the best team player. And actually, Jake, I'm happy to award you this, and that is your prize for being a great team player. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the new models, and as soon as we get a machine, we will be doing a review. It's gonna be such a laugh. As soon as we can, we'll do a video and we'll get it out there on the water. See you soon. Okay, so we're going to tell you about the new Kawasaki models. I can't get this big off. You have to cut that, mate.